In this video, I'm going to show you how to use anchor text to improve your SEO. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. So if you're watching this video, you probably already know what anchor text is, but just real quickly, anchor text is the text that you use on a web page to link over to another page. So this is a blog post on the All-in-One SEO blog about how to write meta descriptions, and within that blog post, we have a link over to this page on search engine result pages. You can see that here. What are SERPs and why are they important to SEO? So it's that text, search engine results pages. In this example, that would be the anchor text. You might be wondering if anchor text is a ranking factor in Google and other search engines, and yes, it certainly is. So with that in mind, we want to write good anchor text. Good anchor text is descriptive and is something that will help the user. So in this example here, if we are using the anchor text SEO scams, then we want that to go to a page about SEO scams. That's good anchor text. If this instead went to some sort of contest or another piece of content that had nothing to do with SEO scams, that would be very bad anchor text, would be considered spammy by the search engines. Another example of bad anchor text would be trying to stuff too many keywords into the anchor text. So SEO scams is fine, but if we instead had this anchor text link say SEO scams, SEO tricks, beware of this SEO, and all of that was the anchor text, that would also be bad. And then another thing to keep in mind with your anchor text is that it should be helpful for the user. Again, in this example of SEO scam, if I click there and it takes me to a web page about SEO scams, which it does, then this is very good, useful anchor text. Something that would not be as helpful would be using click here as the anchor text. Click here is certainly a very powerful call to action, but it's not telling the user or search engines what the content is about. If you want to read more on this, we have lots of information on our blog at AIOSEO.com/blog. We even have an article about anchor text, and I can include a link to that article in the description below this video. So now that we know what is good and bad anchor text, I want to show you a really powerful tool that's easy to use and can help you quickly create anchor text on your internal and external links. So the first thing we're going to do is install the All-in-One SEO plugin. If you already have AIOSEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your Download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIOSEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the Plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIOSEO setup wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIOSEO account, which you can find at AIOSEO.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. If you want to be doubly sure, you can go ahead and click the blue Save Changes button. And then we're going to scroll up and click on the dashboard link, just so we're all on the same page. So from the WordPress dashboard, head on over to the All-in-One SEO menu on the left and click on the link that says Link Assistant. The Link Assistant is a powerful tool built into All-in-One SEO that helps you to add internal and external links quickly to your content. In fact, many times you can add these links without even opening up those pages in WordPress. I'm not going to show you every feature of Link Assistant in this video. We do have another video on this channel that dives into Link Assistant a little bit more. You should see a link to that video pop up on the screen now. But for the purposes of this video, let's click on the Links Report tab up top. So if I scroll down the page a little bit, I've got this page here called How to Set the SEO Title and Description Format. And if we look on the last column here, the last column is Suggestions. So it's telling me there's one suggested link here. So for this piece of content, it's telling me there are 0 inbound internal links. What that means is links from other pages on my website to this page. 0 outbound internal links. That means from this page to other pages on my website. 0 affiliate and 0 external links. And it does have one link suggestion for this page. If I look below that, I can see that there are 0 inbound internal suggestions, but there is 1 outbound internal suggestions. If I click on that tab, and we can even change the anchor text. So in this example, if I don't want the anchor text to be sample excerpt from a page, let's say I just wanted it to be sample excerpt, I can click the little pencil icon here to edit, and then I highlight whatever text I want, in this case, sample excerpt, and click the little link icon. And now it's been changed to sample excerpt. Go ahead and click Save Changes. And then if we like that, say, yes, I want sample excerpt to link to this page that says sample page. I go ahead and click Add Link. Confirm, yes, I want to add this suggestion. And that's it. It's been added that easily without me having to go through my whole website and try to come up with different ideas on my own for internal linking. So Link Assistant can really help you to add internal and external links fast while still giving you control over the anchor text of those links. And if you choose your anchor text wisely, you can really help out your SEO. So that's how to use anchor text to improve your SEO. If you don't already have our awesome all-in-one SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this next video right here, I'll show you how to use the power of AI to come up with titles and descriptions for your WordPress content. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, all-in-one SEO.